Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorial Point. Today I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log out of the Shien app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. As you can see, I have my Shien app open on my phone. Right now I'm on my main dashboard or home screen of the Shien app. Now to sign out of the Shien app, firstly, you'll have to click on the Me option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After the Me page opens on your screen, you'll see a gear which represents the settings on the top right of your screen. Once you click on that gear option, the settings page will open. And on the bottom of your screen, you'll see the Sign Out option. Now to sign out, just simply click on the Sign Out button and confirm it. I hope this video helped you to sign out of your Shien account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.